Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Carter with Trader Vision 2020 and today's featured trade idea for June 21st, 2018. Today's featured trade idea is EPC, Edgewell Personal Care. And as you can see, it has been in a long-term downtrend. Let's put the trend in there. So something like that fairly well defines the trend. Let's call it like that. However, we've bottomed here over the last month and a half, 2 months. And as you can see, we have put in a rounded bottom breakout here with a break above the 50, pulling back into a J hook here, or at least a PBO at this point. We also have what I would call an inverted head and shoulders working for us, and we're up here at the neckline breakout right now. I will be looking for EPC to fill this congestion area up to these highs as a first target, and up to the area of the 200, which is these lows over here, as a second target. So let's put together a trade plan for this, working off of yesterday's hammer. So let me grab a trade plan here. As you can see, earnings are out of the way. We have at least 5 bullish indicators on our side here. I would say we also have a nice hammer type situation and the signal, which would give us 6. The only thing bearish is the short-term symbol bias, and that's because we're in the pullback portion of the J hook. Let's set up a plan with 1 entry and 2 exits. Right here at these highs is where I'm going to be putting the purchase, and again I'm going to see that means we've got the bulls are in charge and running. My stop is fairly tight below this support line defined by these tops. Let's call it 48.95. And the first target is up here about 54.50, with a second target up here around 56.35, something like that. So it says we can do 142 shares. Let's see what 150 shares will do for us in terms of size in this account. 7%, way too much. Knock that down to 100. That's still almost 5% of the account, but for argument's sake, I will go ahead and plan the trade with that. It's only $105 at risk, or 2%, 2.1% on a stop out. If we were able to sell half at that first target, we would bring in $225 at 9% gain. If we sold the entire position there, we'd make $450. So more than make our gain, even if we have to take the entire trade off here at that first target. And that first target is giving us almost 4.3 to 1. If we are able to continue up and get that second target, we would add another $317 or 12.7% on that half of the trade, giving us an overall trade of almost 11% and $542. So that will be our trade for today. Notice that Trader Vision tells us that we've only got to reach 53.20 to achieve our trade goal. So that's so we don't have to quite make the first target. So if we can get up into here, we have achieved our goal for the trade if we have to sell the position. And I think that's very, very doable. I think that first target is certainly very doable as well. So that will be our featured trade idea for today. Please evaluate this plan against your own criteria, your own trading style, and your needs, your goals. And if you decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. Of course, I wish you the best of luck regardless in your trading today, and I hope to see you in the trading room.